Okay, we're ready to solder. Yay! Soldering, yay, I love soldering. Okay, to solder you use bus bar, which was this wide shit. And to start off with, you gotta have the right tools for this. If you're gonna be making these, you can't be fucking around with bullshit. Forget soldering guns. Get yourself a nice soldering station. They're like $30 on eBay. And if you trade stocks, haha, probably getting tired of this. Check out DD Amanda. DDAmanda.com. If you want to trade stocks, that's what you need. I'm all about having the right tools. So anyway, we're going to start soldering these things. And a solar panel is like a whole bunch of little batteries hooked together, you know, end for end. So, like, the top here is positive, and then on the negative is the bottom, and you'll notice these wires go down. So so from top positive to bottom negative, and then it comes underneath and goes back to positive. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Negative on the other side. So this is negative here, because it's on the bottom. It's actually the front of the solar panel. So what we want to do is we're going to want to go to the top. So from negative, we're going to go to positive. Then negative, positive, on and on. So the solar panel is this is a 60 cell panel, and it's just one solar cell. They're all hooked in series, positive to negative. And at the end, you got one positive on one end and negative on the other end. Okay, so let's start soldering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this sucker underneath here. And I may cut it, let me cut it the right length, which will be right about, I'm going to cut it a little bit longer here, okay? Because I'm going to put something here and you're going to like that. Okay, so let's just cut it right here. And this is a nice, you get these at Harbor Freight for peanuts. It's a nice side cutter, okay? Get the right tools. Don't fuck around with bullshit. Okay, so we'll put this one on top. And always have a little bit of solder around so you can tin your tip. By the way, this is a Hakko tip, H-A-C-C-O, it's Japanese. And then you got a little Brillo pad here, brass Brillo pad, okay? So you can clean your tip. Get a Hakko, it's a T8, I'll put links in the description. It's a T18-C5, which means it's like a cone. I don't know if you can see that, like a cone. You see that? It's got like a little oval on the bottom. Anyway, all you do is just touch it, and you'll see it. I don't have my little pointer tippy. I gotta go get my little pointer tippy. But anyway, you need something to hold it down. You just hold it on there, and you'll see it melt. Okay. Damn, that's hot. I got to get my little pointer to hold it down with. So these are all together, and slide these underneath. Okay. So this negative on the bottom here, from the other side, is going to hook to the positive here, and it's just going to be like a snake, okay? So, let's touch this one. Damn, I got to get my pointer. Maybe I can use, because I don't want to redo this freaking video, I'll just use this screw to hold it down. Melt. Melted. And melted. Okay. Then what I have inline diodes, okay? And they're these little guys right here. And what that does, it'll separate this this is 12 strings. It'll separate it into 2-string sections, so that if something shades this, like if you don't have like diodes separating your solar panel into sections, like if you have just one thing shaded, your whole panel is going to go down, okay? It's going to be a lot less. So I have these little diodes. You can get them at Mouser or DigiKey. Oh yeah, here's a funny story. I was watching this one YouTube video, and this girl's using a fucking soldering iron to tab cells with. I couldn't believe it. It was just insane, you know, how stupid people can get. Anyway, you get these little suckers here, and they're little tiny little diodes, okay? And they fit right inside the panel, which is cool. And they have a little notch, and the notch goes to wherever positive is. So, positive is the top here, the back of the panel is positive, so this little notch is going to go here, okay? And we solder that sucker on. And I don't have my little pointer. I'm pissed off. Okay, that's milky. Okay, so that little diode's there, and what will happen is if one of these gets blocked off, but the sun blocks, it'll bypass. It'll bypass it, so the rest of your panel will still be cool. Okay? So, now, we're going to hook these two, okay? We're going to hook these two just like these two. So, anyway, that's it. I think you're going to hook this to, I got to get my pointer, my little pointy thing. You're going to hook this to this, and then hook these two sections together, and you keep going. And this third section with the two, I'm going to put another one of these little diodes there, okay? Alright, that's it. When you get all, I'm just doing the left side now. When you get done, you can just go in here and clip these, okay? And try not, don't get them in your panels, so make sure you get them out of there. You don't want them flying in there, okay? So you clip these little bastards off, and then this one section will be done, okay? So you're just going to repeat this on down, okay? You're going to hook your tab bar to here, these two, and to this diode, like that, and keep going. It's just a repeat of the same thing, and then I'll make another video for the other side. Okay guys, bye.